Now some say you can tell an engineer from miles away just on how they blow their signals. We have Dusk up in the engineer seatless run, so let's see how he does his 2 long blasts, a short blast, followed by another long.
Great job.
The road we are crossing on today is the original wagon road that goes up to the Lebanon Mine.